I have used Montserrat and Bieber's Noah font in creating this template. Font changing feature available in 2019 version Maigret. Let me show you how to edit this template. Let's open Premiere Pro. Create a new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Open Essential Graphics panel. To install templates, right-click here, click on Manage Additional Folder. Click on Add. Give path of extracted download folder. Click on Select Folder. It will install all motion graphics templates automatically. Place any template on the timeline. These are 4K titles. To use these templates in Full HD sequence, go to the Effects Control panel and scale the template by 50%. Here in the Edit tab, you can change text, text font, and its color. Change position and scale from here. You can change the tracking amount from here. These titles have in and out both animation. That's it. Thanks for watching.